From the beginning of time, man has always had a pursuit of the best quality of life possible. That quality of life is not possible without resources. The form of resources we have accumulated has changed over time from cowrie shells, state-controlled money, precious metals, real estate, and stocks and bonds. Over the past 100 years, the world has been dominated by the US dollar and its reserves. But everything that has a beginning also has an end. A new financial revolution is upon us with the emergence of a digital economy. The way we earn, spend, and accumulate resources is fundamentally changing. A new asset has appeared that the wealthy have overlooked. Bitcoin has become the best performing asset of the past decade by far. With only 21 million ever in existence, there are more millionaires and billionaires in the world today than there are Bitcoin. Just by holding 0.25 Bitcoin today, will put you in the top 1% asset holders in the world in the next 5 to 10 years. If you would have invested $100,000 in Bitcoin in 2013, today it will be worth more than $15 million. Bitcoin billionaire Raoul Pal says, Bitcoin's performance is so dominant and so all-encompassing that it is going to suck in every single asset narrative dry and spit it out. Never before in my career have I seen a trade so dominant that holding any other assets makes almost no sense. This is not an industry you can afford to ignore. If you want to remain in business, then you must adapt. Are you offering services in Bitcoin? Are you accepting payments with digital currencies? Have you adopted blockchain technology? Blockbuster Video at one point was the most dominant video service in the world. They had the opportunity to be part of Netflix, but they ignored the changing technology. Where is Blockbuster today? Where will you be tomorrow? All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Thank you for taking time out of your schedule for being here. There's so many other things you can be doing with your time, so it is much appreciated that you take this time to spend it with me as we go through our day learning about crypto, how we can integrate it into our lives, build our portfolio, and learn new skills that's priceless, skills that nobody can take from you. One thing I know about learning a certain set of skills is that no matter what's happening in your life, positive or challenges, you're always 60 days away from a turnaround. If you ever had to start a new beginning, just 60 days away. So with that, go ahead and type in the chat box where you're listening in from. As a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share a suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. Let's see, who do we have already so far? I see Dagmar from Lake Arrowhead. Good morning. Faye Harris from Temecula. Neil Brooks from Richmond, Virginia. Prelvis Lofties from Corpus Christi, Texas. Lois Parrish from Ontario, Canada. Melanie from Chicago. Yashika from Columbus, Georgia. Christine from, this just jumped on me. There we go. Christine from Northern Illinois. Deborah Van Birch from Tobyhanna, Pennsylvania. I hope I said that right. Shauna Ross, Charlotte, North Carolina. Mike Nowalski, Jersey Mike. Mike, you are blowing it up with the ILCA. Great job. Great job. Making some money. Herschel Crow, good morning. Jared Johnson, Team Bahamas. Good morning, Jared. Marnita from Colorado. Lashana, that's a name I have not seen on my Crypto Talk in a while. Good morning, Lashana. Thank you for plugging in. Stan Williams from Tampa, Florida. Good morning. Now, what do I mean that Mike is blowing up? Well, as you guys know, I have launched my own brand. We are doing our 5-day crypto challenge. Call it the People's Money Challenge, which takes place on January 24th for free for the community. But you can also become a promoter and be part of the VIP pass. And to show you what that looks like, and I'll show you what Mike is doing that he's making some money on. Oh, where we go here? Here we go. This one. You just go to ilcachallenge.com. ilcachallenge.com. TPM 5-day challenge. It is free to join and plug in every single day. We will be covering a new topic. The first day we are starting off with, are you familiar with Satoshi Nakamoto? Day 2, how the blockchain works, breaking it down. Day 3, why do we need cryptocurrencies? How does cryptocurrency work? Day 4, unlocking cryptocurrency. Day 5, the path to becoming a digital crypto billionaire. And if you are in a situation where either you yourself is unsure about what crypto is, or you have people asking you 1,000,001 questions, then invite them here. Invite them here and let them get all the basics from the beginning. Now, this is going to be streamed live in a special Facebook group that is not open to the public. You have to register, but registration is free. Once you register, you're going to get access to the private Facebook group where it will be streamed from. Then you're going to have another option. And that option is to become a VIP member. The People's Money Challenge, 5-day challenge. VIP is backstage pass. Lifetime access to all of the challenge recordings. Renew your commitment to put the people's money first. You're going to be able to hop on the Zoom with me, not just on the Facebook Live. You're going to be able to ask questions, interact after this all over. This is a total of a $497 value for $97. There's another optional workbook for $14 that you can get. That's going to be a workbook of everything we went over for the week. So this is a great, great opportunity. Think of when I do my one-on-one consultations, especially if I do private weekend ones, I charge thousands. And here you're getting this for $97 plus $14 for the workbook. Now, why did I say that Mike is doing a great job? Why? Because Mike is also taking advantage of being a promoter. And as a promoter, you can share your own link that is tied to you. If you've got a community of friends, family, and followers that you want to get crypto educated as well, and you invite them to that, if they upgrade to the VIP, you're going to get 10%. If they decide to share with somebody else who also upgrades to VIP, you're going to get 5%. And then we're going to add a third tier, which will be 15%. You want to know what's the most exciting thing about all this is? I control it. It's mine. I don't have to worry about a CEO or a business or a company doing some crazy stuff trying to scam everybody that doesn't have good intent. This is my project, my baby. This is my brand, the Ivy League Crypto Academy. So if you wanted to say, Brandon, can I make some money with this? Yes. Yes, you can. And you use that money to build your portfolio. If you wanted to sign up other promoters, click on sub-affiliates at the top, and you will have your own affiliate link to share. This is your promoter link. And I don't think I want to change this word to a promoter and not affiliates. But anyways, this is your promoter link here. This link here is just for those that want to register for the 5-day challenge, whether for free or they upgrade, because they may upgrade later. They may come on day 1 and say, you know what, I want the backstage pass. And they upgrade for day 2, 3, 4, and 5. And guess what? You get paid. So this is a link you want to share with them that's yours. You're going to have your own dashboard. So this is very, very exciting. I'm happy to be here. And Mike is doing a great job. He's sharing this to others. Great job, Mike. We're probably going to have another special promo sometime this weekend coming up, but we shall see. So anyways, let's go. You know what? You got to be kidding me. I was not sharing screen that whole doggone time. This is what I get. I'm using StreamYard, and I forget StreamYard and Zoom, and I got my other computer here. Everything that I just said, I'm going to share again at the end. Okay, how about that? So stick around. I'm going to share that all again at the end. So let me hit the share screen button. Good grief, Brandon. It's Friday. I was up late last night and woke up late this morning. You were just being polite and waiting? Nah, you guys got to shout me out. Let me know. All right. Sharing screen now. Let's take a look at the crypto market, and then we're going to go back after this, and I will show you the what's going on with the ILCA, because the countdown is on January 24th. All right. The market cap is at 2.17 trillion. It is down 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is at 37.5%. Ethereum is at 18%. This was not able to break that 45K, 44K. It's bouncing around between 41,000, 43,000. I don't know. We got some analysts saying that the bottom's at 40K and it can break back above 50K in the short term, but we can't break 44K. If it goes below 40K again, it's going all the way down to 35K. Ethereum is at 3,200. This is another one. This has got to break 3,400. Binance 480. Binance is green across the board. They're stable. Solana's down 4.2%. Polkadot 2.8. Dogecoin is up 18%. Wow, what caused that bounce? Shiba Inu is up 2.4. Litecoin is up 5.8. And Melanie sent me a screenshot that Binance has new listing pairs, which is the coins that we look at. Like, let's see. Let me go to what she shared with me. Thank you, Provis. He did send me a message. Share your screen. I wasn't looking at my phone. New pairs for their Binance USD stablecoin is ADA, Solana, and Mana. And then new pairs on the Tether: Algorand, EOS, Chainlink, Mana, Matic, and ZEC. So most of those we have on our watch list, which means being paired on Binance, you're going to see a boom, at least a short-term price increase on those. New volume, new liquidity. So that's exciting. Let's see the best performers over the past 24 hours. Yes, let's go back out of that. Okay, so best performers. Secret. I've never heard of this. Where did this one come from? Anybody seen this coin? 34.2% in 7 days, 25.4% in 24 hours. I want to take a quick look. Secret, $28. There is no total supply. Well, according to them, infinity. I shy away from that kind of stuff. It's a year old. It was at 25 cents a year ago, and 3 months ago it came to $10. You know what we got to do? It's Friday. Let's dream mode this. If you knew about this a year ago, Secret, and you had $1,000, 25 cents, that's 4,000 tokens. And then it hit its all-time high, $10.38. Your 1,000 would have grown to 41K. Even at this price, $8 right now, it's still good. And I was having a quick chat with Melissa about my strategy in this space is very conservative. I take measured risks, and most of the risks I take I don't share with the public. I just do it myself because I do not want to be responsible that I'm willing to take a risk on something big, and somebody wants to take that same risk just because I did and they're not prepared for it. And then when it doesn't go right, I already calculated worst case scenario. They probably didn't. I can live with the worst case scenario. They probably cannot. So I'm very, very conservative. Most of the tokens that I look at is either based on me spending time doing a whole lot of research on a project, good friends of mine or associates who I know also do good research may whisper in my ear about something, or I wait till I start seeing movement and it's kind of been reported in the news. Now, some people might think that's too late, but it's not, because most people is not watching crypto news the way I do. So I'm still early on. No, I won't get the same type of gains that those who was at the beginning of the project, but it still will be great gains. So I'm real conservative. So I would have never known about this unless somebody told me this secret a year ago. But does it have room to grow? Absolutely. With 157 million supply, you have to see what this project's all about. But anyways, it's the fastest growing coin in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is second, 17.4%. Oasis Network, 11.8%. Good morning, Daniel, Tammy, Jacqueline Briggs, Carlos. FTX token, 6.3%. Harmony, 6%. Monero, 5.9%. Convex Finance, 5.8%. Litecoin, 5.3%. Ethereum Classic, 4.1%. Dash, 3.1%. CRV, all right. Also, our secondary portfolio should look good this morning. Cadena's down 7.5%. Loopring 5.5%. Sushi, Solana's down 5.2%. Olympus 4.6%. I don't own Olympus. Gala's down 4.6%. The Graph, I have that. Axie Infinity, Avalanche. Well, no, these coins are also in my secondary portfolio, and they're not doing so well. So let's see where it lands. Those of you that are brand new, a couple of months ago, I started to do something new. And I wanted to prove, you've got fake gurus out there from the real deal. So we started to create a new portfolio live, starting from zero. And I was taking you guys on a journey on how I built my main portfolio, which I will never talk about or share. Okay, our secondary portfolio is down by $182. This was at 12K the other day. About a week and a half ago? So we're still down 182. Yeah, most of these coins, there's 25 coins in this portfolio. The biggest winner right now, though, is Dogecoin. That was up 15%. Yeah, 25 coins in this portfolio. And the purpose of this portfolio is to follow a strategy of long-term holders. I don't care what coin you had 2 years ago. You're in profit today if you held it for 2 years. And I did crypto talks talking about how $100 can change your life, $1,000, $10,000 if you held a coin just for 1 year. So we're doing that. We started this October. The goal is to have this at $100,000 by June, maybe July, my birthday. That's the goal. Have $100,000, and then we'll see where this is going to be in 1 year by October, November of this year, 2022. Metaverse. Let's look at a metaverse portfolio with Makara. That should be down too if my secondary portfolio is down. All right, let's click on Makara. Makara, yeah, that's down by $800. that portfolio down by 800. Let me look at my DeFi tokens. I don't always pull this one up. Oh, that's why I don't pull it up, because it doesn't give me a breakdown like these do. My crypto.com. This is down, I think, 300. That wallet. 300. You know what? And I have not done it yet, and I wrote it down. I need to make those moves in my Binance account, because that's down 400. See, Binance is down 400. I need to make some moves on that one. I can flip that to 20K. Go back to doing some trading. All right, so let's pull up the DeFi tokens that we have up here. Vetter. Yeah, the only reason I keep them up here is because I keep them in the forefront of my mind, because I put some. I want to see if any of these hit the home run like a Shiba Inu did. This is up 0.83%. Saitama is down 12%. Wakanda, this has great potential. This has good potential. It loses 2 zeros. Very good. Down 4.61%. And then Green. Well, Green went down 31%, but it's still over a penny. You know, and I've done a lot of dream mode on Green. So I saw a slide here with Green. Okay, so let's take a look at some news. Oh, and by the way, well, I'll wait to share about it afterwards. I'll be doing something special for all the VIP members as well, because I'm building a new community. Is Cardano entering a bull market? Crypto analyst Jason, okay, I will look at that since it just hit a new pairing on Binance. New Ethereum competitor soars after announcing 150 million fundraising round. What Ethereum competitor? Near? Massive Ethereum well begins accumulating 4 altcoins. Okay, yeah, we want to see that. These crypto assets have 10x potential in 2022. And yes, we want to look at that. And this is exactly why crypto talks are important. You never know what diamond you're going to find in the rough. I've made people a lot of money just by listening to this stuff. Crypto analyst and host of Altcoin Daily, Austin Arnold, is laying out his top crypto picks as the markets try to shake off a sluggish start to the year. In a new video, the closely followed trader tells his 1.19 million subscribers that he remains interested in Bitcoin as an asset despite the massive sell-off, which the top crypto has undergone since hitting an all-time high above 69,000 in November. Don't freeze on me. People are buying the dip from every exchange, and Bitcoin is leaving the exchanges. Miners are not selling their Bitcoin. They're holding on to it. At time of writing, Bitcoin is down 2% to 42,000. Next on Arnold's list is the leading smart contract platform, Ethereum, noting that Ethereum has its own supply shock going on. Ethereum 2.0 deposit contract has surpassed $30 billion in value. Once holders put their Ethereum in the deposit contract, they can't take it out again until it is fully transitioned. Ethereum is down 2.17% on the day and trading for $3,259. The show host has his eye on decentralized finance protocol Uniswap, which recently deployed on fellow Layer 2 protocol Polygon Matic. 2022 might be the year of Layer 2s. Uniswap is valued at $15.61, while Polygon is trading for $2.26. I am not big on Uniswap. I am big on Polygon. Another Layer 2 the Altcoin Daily host is keen on is Immutable X. I don't even have this at all. A scaling solution for non-fungible tokens that aims to enable near instant zero gas fee transactions. Well, I think this is something we need to look at. Zero fees. IMX. Anybody own IMX? Good morning, Mike. You're right here, Daniel. Where can I go for the best education in the crypto space? Me. Immutable X. 2 billion tokens. $3.56. Is this brand new? All-time low was 2 months ago at $3. All-time high was $9, also 2 months ago. Give me the max on this. Is this a new token? Yeah. This just got listed in November. I'm going to put a watch on this. Well, first, wait. Where is it being sold? Today is 14th. Watch IMX. It's on Binance. It got on Binance that fast? Gate.io, Huobi. It's on crypto.com already too? And it's ranked 149? How much is this again? $3? It's on every exchange. It's on Coinbase too. L-Bank. Poloniex. This one missed my radar screen. I'm going to change that to buy IMX. I need to research this some more. But I think I want to buy it because especially if it's on, I will at least get in the game. That's what I like to call it. I don't want to watch from the sidelines. I'll have a little bit stake in the game. There it is. Immutable X. Yeah, I want to buy a little bit of this. I'll buy 14 of them. Okay, let's see if this goes through. Oh, hold on. And there we go. And just bought. All right, I'm in the game. So I bought it at, what's the price? $3.56. $3. $3.56. All right. Just add a new token to the secondary portfolio. Let's go back. IMX. The altcoin is down 3.24% on the day, price at $3.55. Next on Arnold's list is the open source platform Tezos. We have Tezos, which has been racking up corporate partnerships lately. The latest milestone sees apparel giant The Gap releasing NFT collectibles based on the Tezos platform. Tezos is certainly an altcoin to watch, doing big things. Tezos is also down slightly today to $4.18. Looking at the Internet of Things space, the Altcoin Daily host highlights open source public blockchain Helium Network. Get over it, Brandon. Helium Network, which recently surpassed the 450,000 hotspot milestone. You guys see that? The 450,000 hotspot milestone. Those of you who's been with me for a few years know what I'm talking about. Arnold says of Helium, it is a quality venture capital backed project. The altcoin is currently priced at $32.59. I was there when it was at 70 cents. I gotta let it go. Enterprise grade scalable blockchain platform Elrond is also makes the list of crypto assets to watch. We got Elrond after acquiring Web3 payments provider Utrust, which in turn integrated EGLD as a form of payment. Utrust provider Elrond. How strong is my position? Didn't I just buy some more of that? Elrond, yeah, got there, but I think, I put there on the 12th, increase Elrond, EGLD. Yep, I wrote that down. Increase EGLD. Okay. This is a big win for EGLD. Elrond continues the overall daily downtrend and is off by 6.57% to $196.72. Last on the Altcoin Daily docket is decentralized exchange platform DIDX, which the host notes is aiming to achieve full decentralization by the end of this year. Currently, DIDX is up 2.38% and changing hands for $7.81. I have never heard of this. DIDX. And Daniel, you're asking, how do I research coins and tokens? This is exactly what I'm doing. I see something on the news here, like this one. I'm going to show you how I would research this. I'm going to look them up. DYDX, DIDX. It's number 161 on the market cap, which means it's not on most people's radar screen. Most people only look at the top 100. So that means there's opportunity there. Then I look at what is the total supply? 1 billion. So that automatically in my head, I have a figure on how high this can potentially go based on other coins that also have a similar max supply. Then I look at what was this all-time low? 4 days ago, it was at $5.96. 4 months ago, it was at $27.86. That is weird. That's really weird. That its all-time low was 4 days ago, but all-time high was 4 months ago. So then I want to see this history. How old is this? Well, since it was actually listed, goes back to September. So it's a new token. So it came out the gate here at $12, had a bump 1 month later, got up to $27, and then it's been on a downward slide ever since. So it is actually less right now than when it launched, and it will hit the market cap. It's probably launched on a DEX tools. Well, then I'm going to see, where is this being traded? Where can I buy it? So I click on markets. I see it's on Binance, hit BTC, Toko Crypto. So this is really on the Asian markets, but it did make it on crypto.com. Crypto.com for me right now is my go-to place that I use to buy crypto. You can also use Trust Wallet and the others, but this is very fast, very convenient. Crypto.com. See, it's on Kraken. It's on a lot of exchanges. Sushi Swap. So this is probably where it started. Sushi Swap. But the fact that it's on all these exchanges and it's only a couple of months old, I'm going to put down, watch this. I got more to show you, Daniel. Hold on. I'm going to watch DIDX. And the price at the time of my putting this, $7.88. Now, if you want to do further research, because this is what I'm spot looking at things. Then you look over here. You've got the website, you've got the community, Reddit, Twitter, Discord. You can see what the community is saying about the project. You can read the white paper if you go to the website. That's when if you're going to go and dig deeper. You look at what the total value locked is. You know, and this is a healthy number. $986 million locked, almost $1 billion locked. So this isn't going away overnight. So this is what I would consider a good project. And then you just have to figure out, do you want to add it to your portfolio and how much? Right now, I'm not buying it. I'm going to be watching it because I've got other tokens that I would rather increase first. But this is a good rank to have all of this behind it already. This is going to go somewhere. Okay. All right, next up. Is Cardano entering a bull market? Crypto analyst Jason Pizzino updates outlook on ADA. Cryptocurrency analyst Jason Pizzino is laying out his forecast for Cardano as the crypto market recovers. In a new video, Pizzino tells his 256,000 YouTube subscribers that the seventh largest crypto could be entering the bull territory when it breaches the $1.40 mark from a low of $1.07. Okay. This is the area that we want to see ADA reach to match the previous up range. It's basically looking at COGS in the market. We want to see the market at least get to or extend the up ranges that it has done in the downtrend so that you can get an idea of what the smart money is doing. You can see that more people be buying. The ranges are increasing. Therefore, you could also almost assume, or you can assume that the market should be going up from that point because the strength is coming back into the market. You're getting longer up ranges, and so that price point for ADA against the US dollar is about $1.40 right now. The trader says that he looks forward to Cardano going above $1.60, but he warns that the altcoin may see short-term dips on its way up. It's going to close to our 50% level, which is $1.60. You know what? Here's what I would say. I would not look at Cardano for swing trades. If you're going to, this is just my suggestion, if you're going to add Cardano to your portfolio, put it in your long-term portfolio. And when I say that, that means don't worry about what the price of it is right now. Just accumulate. It doesn't matter if the price goes up or down. You want to look about 2 to 3 years on this coin. So I look at this coin like I look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I've been big on Cardano since the beginning. I think the first couple of altcoins I bought outside of Bitcoin, then Ethereum, Ripple, was Monero because of what it did, the anonymity to it, washing coins, then Cardano and Stellar. Those were Cardano, Stellar, Monero were some of the first altcoins I ever bought, and I still hold in my old portfolio. So I wouldn't look at, I'm not paying attention to any of this. Just accumulate that. Next up, new Ethereum competitor soars after announcing a $150 million fundraising round. The price of Ethereum challenger Near is surging after completing a new funding round. From a low of $13.38 on Monday, the altcoin hit a high of $19.92 on Thursday, following reports that the Near Foundation just raised $150 million in additional investments. So wow, so it jumped from 13 to 19. Three Arrows Capital CEO Suzu tells his 456,000 followers about the fundraising round on Twitter, revealing that the crypto hedge fund led the private token sale. Other participants include crypto-focused funds, Mechanism Capital, Dragonfly Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, Jump, Alameda, Z Prime, and Amber Group. I think I remember making some notes about Near. Yeah, January 4th, I put watch Near. Dang it, Brandon. Put down the amount of the coin at that time. I gotta make that a habit. So let's look at this. Number 16 token. $20 right now, up 2.5%. Let me go back 7 days. So I wrote that down on January 4th. 14 days. So here's January 4th. So that's 17. Oh, it dropped to $16 or so. And I put watch. So had I bought, I would have gone from $14 to $20. It's a $6 jump. Okay, what's the metrics on this again? A low was 52 cents. A high was, it reached its high 16 hours ago. So here's another good example of dream mode. 1 year ago, let's say you only had $100 1 year ago, and you put it on near at 52 cents. You would have 192 tokens. 1 year later, today, January 14th, it's worth $20.20. Your $100 would have grown to $3,884. That's how you flip. If you had 1,000, flip that. That's 38,000. If you had 10,000, that's $380,000 in 1 year. Would that have changed any of your lives? Would that have impacted any of your lives? Okay. The NEAR protocol, the proof of stake blockchain, and decentralized application form platform. Oh, I need to write down that when I did that. It was $14. $14. Okay, according to Sue Macro, investors are holding onto the cryptocurrency even as they exit other positions amid the market correction. Meanwhile, crypto analyst Cantrine Clark says that the altcoin may rise above $20 and even climb to $50. Okay. Last up, massive Ethereum whale begins accumulating 4 altcoins as Bitcoin and crypto markets recover. Massive Ethereum whale begins accumulating 4. All right, let's see what 4 altcoins these are. He spent $30.6 million. The blockchain transaction tracker Whale Stats reveals that the Ethereum whale wallet named Light bought 399,000 OMG. I don't own OMG. Any of you guys own OMG? For $2.4 million? The OMG Foundation, formerly known as OMG Network, is layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution that integrates with mainstream wallets. The 122nd ranked crypto asset, OMG, is priced at $5.95. The 4th richest whale wallet also purchased a cool $1 million worth of Oracle Chainlink. All right, we got Chainlink. He also bought Shiba Inu. We have Shiba Inu. And last on the altcoins to-do list, Gala. Only reason why I get excited by Gala is because of what green can do following Gala. Gala is having a rough start to the new year, having fallen from 45 cents to 32 cents. Wrapped Bitcoin is currently worth 42,000. The same as the top crypto, yes. Finally, Whale Stats tweeted that SHIB has become the most popular token among the leading Ethereum wallets. Shiba Inu is not going away. It's going to end up like Dogecoin. SHIB token had come back to the biggest token position by dollar value among the top 1,000 Ethereum wallet holders. All right. Now let's go back to, since I forgot to share screen earlier. What is coming up? The 5-day challenge, crypto challenge. I've been working for months putting this together. This is for the community. I have never done this before. So if you've been following me for all this time and you think, oh, I've been part of brand new stuff. No, I've never done this. This is brand new. And I will be doing a 5-day challenge all year. That's going to go along with my Bitcoin boot camps, resorts. We'll be traveling, doing some things, consultations. I also have maybe 2 books coming out too. So the Ivy League Crypto Academy, just go to ilcachallenge.com, register for free. You're going to get a welcome email that will invite you to a special Facebook group. And that Facebook group is there's the main place where we're going to be streaming the 5-day challenge. I have guest speakers that's going to be coming on, sharing their stories. Some of them you guys know, like Provis, Marnita, Melanie. So I have some guest speakers that's going to be sharing their stories. Every day is a new topic. Every day is a new topic. We're going to be starting off with Satoshi Nakamoto. How the blockchain works. Why do we need cryptocurrencies? Unlocking cryptocurrency and the path to becoming a digital currency billionaire. Now, you're going to have another option once you register. Understand that this is a value of $997 for free. Okay? You're getting about $1,000 for free. Click to sign up. Once you click to sign up, you're going to be given an option to become a VIP member and have backstage access. So first, let me put this link in the chat box for you guys. Come on up. There we go. ILCachallenge.com. And then the second, for those of you that registered early, okay, like Lois saying, I still didn't receive an email for the link to the challenge. All right, Lois, we'll get that to you because the link is for the Facebook group. The second is if you registered, we did not have the ability for you to become a VIP early. And I need to put this in the am I on the Facebook? Why do I not see the comments here? Comments will appear, but they're not. Okay. Hey, Marnita, if you could do that for me, if you're in the Facebook group, type in there for the ILCchallenge.com. And then the second is the access to the VIP pass. And I will put this link also in the chat box. Okay. And also, oh, there you go. And then I need to have that copied in the Facebook group. So ilcachallenge.com/lifetime pass and VIP. So this is where you go to get your VIP. Backstage pass, recordings of each session, and all that good stuff. $694 value for $97. Thank you, Marnita. And just a heads up, this is my company. I have a marketing team in place. I have a CMO, a chief marketing officer. But I also will be, this is the beginning of building a foundation for the Ivy League Crypto Academy, where we will be doing Bitcoin boot camps. I'm going to be inviting some of you to travel to different events to help put it on, to be speakers on stage. And right now, my main assistant is my business partner, Marnita Casa. So she's going to be doing a lot of helping with me behind the scenes stuff, answering your questions, getting you guys plugged in, handling with the Facebook group, and especially our promoters. She knows, she sees all of it. All of you guys that sign up, those of you that get your VIP pack, so if you've got any questions or anything, you go to her. Don't come directly to me first. Go to her. Then you can come to me. So make sure that, so you guys know what Marnito's role is. And you want to get the VIP pass. Now the workbook is an extra $14 if you want the workbook that goes with this whole thing. So it's about a total of about 114 bucks is what you would pay. Here's another benefit for being a VIP. You guys see how I do these crypto talks for free. And I've been doing it that way for 4 years. And that is going to come to an end, unfortunately. You know that old saying, time is money. I might do 1 or 2 crypto talks free because I do want the community to be exposed. But the other ones, and even sometimes the special late night crypto talks that I do, I'm going to be doing just for my VIP members only. I'm going to create a specific Telegram group and a separate Facebook group for my lifetime community members. And I will only be doing talks through there, which means if you want there, you've got to be a VIP member to have access to all these crypto talks and things that I do. And it's going to be more than just crypto talks. I'll give you an example. I'm going to start doing special series. Like, remember the other day, we covered what are NFTs. Remember this article here? And this was a 3-day process we covered. Then I'm going to do another one about the metaverse. I'm going to do this one as well. And I'm going to do another one about the blockchain. And it might take 3 days each. Now, I'm not going to do this in the open community. I'm going to be doing this stuff for the VIP members only. And then I'm also going to be I've got 60 more videos to be released on DeFi, NFTs, and metaverse. And so it's one thing where you watch the video, yourself at home, and you stop, pause, and rewind it. But what if you've got questions and things like that? So there's going to be things set up for that. But every now and then I'll choose one video and then I will actually do that lesson live where I'm able to build upon it because it's not a recording. It's me actually doing it. So you know how I do things. I don't just read something. I go off on tangents. I share other stuff and information, and that's priceless stuff there. So you want to be VIP member, and it's a VIP member for life. Now, I am doing more 5-day challenges and in the future every single month. Now, they're not going to be that much different at all. In fact, they're probably going to be the same. The only thing difference will be I might be switching out speakers. I'll be rotating different speakers and giving different people an opportunity to be exposed, to share their story, share their brand. And so I'll be rotating different speakers. But each challenge is different. It's separate. So if you've already done the VIP in one, that doesn't mean you automatically go into the VIP the next month. The next month, you can go onto the free side. It's the same information. But you can make money, though, if you're a promoter and you share with others to be in the other 5-day challenges. So that is that. Oh, let me show that because Mike has been doing a great job. If you want to be a promoter, then you go to teachmecrypto.net. Teachmecrypto.net. My Zoom is teachmecrypto.info. Teachmecrypto.net. Register as a promoter. You must make sure that you've upgraded to the $97 VIP pack, because if you don't do that, you're not going to earn if others that you share do that. So you need to make sure you do that yourself. Register as a promoter, upgrade to the VIP, $97. Now you're going to have 2 links. You have one link for the VIP challenge that you can share. It's just like ILCAchallenge.com, but it's going to have your link at the end. You share that with others, with just people that want to be in the VIP, in the 5-day challenge, and they want to get some crypto education, and that's for free. But if they upgrade to VIP, guess what? You're going to earn 10%. Now, you don't have to be the salesperson or recruiter or any of that stuff, because my marketing team will be sending them messages, inviting them for the opportunity to upgrade to VIP. All you have to do is just share your link. So if you're gun shy, I don't want to ask people for money, and you don't have to. Say, hey, we got a 5-day challenge coming up for crypto. You got to register. Here's my link to register. The system will do the rest for you at that point. But if they upgrade, you get paid. And then if they decide, you know what, I know other people who would love to be promoters. We've got big crypto communities. We've got a community of people that want to know about crypto, and we don't have nowhere to teach them or nowhere to put them, and they're always asking me questions. Send them the link to the 5-day challenge. But if they want to become a promoter themselves, you have a separate link for that. Sub-affiliates at the top. Right here. This is a separate link. It starts with Team Builder Pro. You give them this link, and now they're tied to you. And you earn when they share it with others. The whole point of this, because the original plan was not to have an affiliate side. But I understand the field, because people say, well, Brandon, can I make money? You know, if you're starting your own company, that's great. But outside of education, what does that mean for me? You know, everybody, at the end of the day, what's in it for me? Well, I want you an opportunity to make money as well. And you use that money to help to build your portfolio. Okay? You can make as much as you want. And then the best part about it is, it's my company. Registered. Ivy League Crypto Academies. Long time waiting. So I'm real excited about that and what we're doing. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being along for this journey all the way to where we are now. Upgrade to the VIP. Lifetime VIP package, and share with others, especially if you want to continue to be part of my crypto talks. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I will be back tomorrow. Friday's supposed to be my day off, and I've got a meeting in 3 minutes. I got to hop off that meeting. I've got a meeting at 12, batched. We have a batched meeting at 12, committee meeting, and I should be done. I should be done by 2 or 3. Tomorrow we'll be back. I'm doing early morning crypto talk tomorrow morning, and I will be doing WCL presentation at 1 p.m. Eastern, and then the iLearning Crypto presentation at 2 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. And then I'm working on ILCA stuff the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Bitcoin Brandon out. Have a great day, and I will end by playing this video. Imagine a world where everybody is connected. Imagine a world where somebody in Japan can do a transaction with somebody in the United States without high banking fees. Imagine a world no longer ruled by greedy corporate banks. There's going to come a time when we think of central banks in the same way we think about calling an operator to talk to a friend on the phone. This weird, annoying entity that came between us and the things we actually wanted. You aren't going to drown in fees anymore. You aren't going to borrow money from a bank. You aren't going to fight a half a dozen middlemen. It'll just be you and your money anywhere on earth. And once this happens, cryptocurrency could very well make the US dollar obsolete. Once people understand how easy this is and get used to it, the demand for legacy money controlled by a government and bank is going to plummet like a rock. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency.